Okay, you're gonna need three things. The first thing you need is wire. I got this 12 gauge wire at Advanced Auto Parts. Second thing is you're gonna need like a spade adapter or a Y adapter. I got these from Amazon for around $6. Third thing is these 1/4-inch female disconnects that fit the gauge wire. I got these at Advanced Auto also. Now the spade adapters, I see that they're currently unavailable from Amazon, so I'll have some other links below. And here I'm just showing you the individual parts. You only need, you just need 2 of these for 1 wire, and you'll need 1 of those. Just kind of showing you what it looks like. And I'm just going to stretch me out a little bit of wire here. That's long enough to join the 2 batteries together. And I'm just gonna cut it. And strip it. Put the female disconnect on, kind of measure it up. I see I need to trim off a little bit. Okay, put the female disconnect back on and crimp it down with my side pliers. And I've done both sides. It should be ready to go. Now let me just put the spade adapter on one side. Now the side with the spade adapter goes on the original battery, which I've already pulled off the negative cable, and I slipped this one over instead. And now put the negative battery cable onto the adapter. Make sure they're nice and snug. And now run our new cable to the new battery. And that's it. Just put that on. And charge it up.